couple of XB units. I just decided to film for no reason. The main reason I came back over here was because over there where you see the XR was actually a 2008 Trane like this, but it had a climate reciprocating compressor. So that's why I came here, and since I saw that one got replaced, and it just came on. Okay, Trane startup again. Blowing cold right now. Starting to form a little bit of heat. Okay, so I always like the smaller ones, like, I'll just let you hear the compressor. But yeah, so normally I just like the smaller Tranes. I don't really like the newer ones at all. I mean, this is new. I meant like the bigger ones, like to 3, 4, 5 tons. The smaller ones I'm okay with. It's starting to blow heat out now. Suction line is getting cold. Yeah, and these ones actually blow more air instead of the Tranes. The newer ones that just go pop, 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 pop. I hate that. Pretty nice looking unit actually. Probably like a 2 or 3 ton, but I'm not sure. Looks like it's pretty recent. My camera never focuses, and right here, I guess, is a Sanyo inverter mini split that is on right now. R410A, and whatever that thing is on. But yeah, time to get out of here now.